SI stock is on the move in this pre-market session of today, the 13th of October 2023. As a matter of fact, the market is going to open, the regular session is going to open in about 4 minutes or thereabout. So this gain has run up is roughly 168%. All of these occurred largely in the last 2.5 hours. So but right now, as I speak right now, the momentum is waning a bit, and there's a good chance that when the market opens, it's going to give up much of these gains it has run up. So the news is that the company has signed a definitive agreement to acquire Nexttrip. So this is what's going on. 5.42 million shares across the tape. This is where all the orders behind this huge rally are printed. You know, the aggression and the low liquidity, this is where they all come through. This is the market orders, they are all going through, the buys and the sell, the bids and the asks. So this is where they all printed. This is where they all go through. So liquidity is one of the reasons why we are looking at this squeeze. You know, this occurs when market participants keep on insisting on getting their orders filled with market orders, and then as a result of that, they thin out the market. You know, they dominate the market because, you know, the market order is what is prevailing. So if you use it, or if they use it, then that is what's going to continue to carry the day. That is going to influence the order flow, and then all the orders on this side of the order book will only be filled if it suits them, if it matches their orders, you know, their requests. So as a result of that, when these orders are going through, they dominate the market, and then it also results in a liquidity squeeze. You know, it thins out the market, and then, you know, it's just a few orders that might be going through. You know, even if it's not a few, but you know, it's what is going to define. Even if you think it's a lot, there's even way more here. That's why, you know, amongst other things, it's a liquidity squeeze. You know, so we're counting down now, as I indicated earlier on. Yeah, the market is going to open in about 2 minutes or thereabout. So let's see what is being forecasted here on TradingView. Let's look at the 1 minute chart and see what's playing out here. Let's look at the 1 minute chart. Okay, so this is that spike we are talking about here, and it reached the highs of $7. So not too far away from there, not too far away. So the auto regression on this predicting its 10-minute moving average is indicating that the stock is going to weaken, which is wouldn't be unusual for most stocks that run up huge gains in the pre-markets. They tend to weaken, you know. So I mean, there are other reasons. There are many reasons why they do so. You know, they may be fundamental, technical, you know. But right now, this is what is forecasted. But outside that, you know, there's a downward projection of on its Fibonacci grid. There's 4.92. There's slightly below where it is, there's $6.2. Then above it, there's $6.69. Above that, there is $7.7, and then above that, there's 7.23, and then 7.49, 7.83. There's 8.28. We're counting down to the open. And then there's 9.56. There's no guarantee any of those will happen. Okay, so let's look at the 1 day chart. Okay, let's see. The 1 day chart is okay. The auto regression for its 10-day moving average is indicating that from today it's going to continue to show strength. Okay, the market has just opened. Okay, it's going to continue to show strength up till Monday the 23rd of October. So well, if today is anything to go by, it's doing so, ticking up. It has ticked up already. Let's see now. I have what happened to my Fibonacci grid. Okay, there's an error there, so we have just lost that. So we might come back and get them. So this is what's going on right now. Okay, let's look at the 1 month chart and see what 1 week chart and see what we have there. Okay, yeah, we have it here on the 1 week chart. We have the Fibonacci grid. So there's projections all the way to 94.25. Below that there is 61.6 and a lot more. Okay, so let's return to the 1 minute chart and see what's going on. Okay, so it's spiking. It can be volatile now. So yeah, see what you make of SASI. There's an upper projection all the way to 9.56, but expect the stock to retrace, if not now, in the coming minutes. Yeah, this is I'm gonna want to believe, since we're talking about an acquisition here, maybe the funds behind the acquisition that are backing the company maybe the ones, this is a conspiracy theory, I'm not very sure, maybe the ones that may have pumped it up, and they will at some point take their money off the table. So see what you make of SASI, and thank you very much for watching this video.